Hello subscribers and YouTubers, what's up? For those who don't know me, my name is Tanmay and this is a new tutorial series named Boolean Algebra and Logic Gates. So these topics come under the subjects such as fundamentals of digital computing and computer organization and architecture. Boolean Algebra is a very important topic as it's applied in digital circuits designing and logic derivation. So in this series of tutorials, we'll be looking into the concept of Boolean Algebra and understand its rules and laws. We'll understand the working of digital systems and understand how Boolean Algebra is applied in these digital systems. We'll also see into the working of logic gates and how they operate in digital circuits. So with that being said, let's get started with this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be understanding digital systems and circuits. We'll see the concept of Boolean Algebra and learn some of its rules. So let's understand what a digital system or a circuit means. Digital systems or circuits are systems that function with digital signals. Now digital signals are discrete signals typically having only two states, that is high state and low state, usually denoted by the binary number 1 and 0 respectively. So let me quickly show you an example of digital circuit. Okay, so as you can see, the first diagram is an analog signal, which means that this curve that I've just drawn is an alternating current which varies from -5 to +5 volts. Now this is termed as an analog signal. Now the devices that operate on digital signals such as your smartphones, laptops have this waveform. This is called a digital signal. Now a digital signal has only two values, that is 0 and 1, which usually corresponds to the 0 volts and 1 corresponds to the higher volts, say for example in this case 5 volts. So all the digital devices such as your smartphones, laptops and other devices usually operate on these digital signals. Now I have drawn a basic example of a digital circuit. We have a battery, we have a switch, we have a bulb over here, and there is some resistance to that circuit. Now when this switch is closed, electricity flows from positive to negative and this bulb starts glowing. As soon as I off the switch again or break the connection, electricity stops flowing and the bulb stops glowing. So in this case we are applying a digital signal which is +5 volts in this case for example, and we are switching it on and off. So we are switching from +5 volts to 0 volts, again back to +5 volts to 0 volts. So this is the reason why I drew this waveform. So now that you understand what a digital circuit is and what are digital signals, let's move on to understanding the concept of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra in which the values of the variables are truth values, true and false, usually denoted by 1 and 0. It was first introduced by George Boole in 1847. Boolean algebra is widely used in development of digital electronics and systems, and it's not just applied to digital systems but also used in sets and stats. In fact, it can be applied to any systems which operate on two states which are opposite to each other, for example on and off, open close, true and false, etc. Now since digital circuits usually operate only on two signals or two states, we can apply Boolean algebra concepts and rules and laws to derive equations. We'll look into the equations in further tutorials. So now that you have a good idea about Boolean algebra and its concept, let's take a look at some of the rules of Boolean algebra. Variables in Boolean algebra can only have two values, binary 1 for high value and binary 0 for low. Complement of a variable is represented by an over bar. Now complement is opposite, so complement of 1 would be 0 and complement of 0 would be 1. Logical OR operation is represented by a plus between variables, example a plus b. So we read it as a or b and not a plus b. It is similar to addition but has slight variation. A logical AND operation is represented by a dot between the variables, as you can see on the screen, a dot b, but we pronounce or spell it as a and b. It is similar to multiplication. Now we'll see these operations in further tutorials, so don't worry, these ideas will be very clear to you. Okay, so let's conclude what we learned in this video. We understood what digital systems and circuits are. We saw the concept of Boolean algebra and how it is applied in digital circuits. We also saw some rules of Boolean algebra, which we will be using in further tutorials while solving numericals. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when we upload the next video. If you have any doubts or comments, do post them in the comment section below. Peace!